I got a pushing it, not just a habit, it's a b-boy mentality, deeper than an cavity, way beyond fashion and any kind of salary. We can mix and mix with the evidence of reality. Complicated for the mind outside the line drawn when the volume of drum got up at night. I'm a part of a movement, not meant for the clear. Let's see, this is your curriculum when teaching the students. Now who's it, what's it, seems to be controlling it. The beauty of hip-hop, how we are unfolding it. Travel down the road that every jam is swelled down. Hip-hop is on the legend and he needs to be told down. Renaissance is an inchamly land. The revival of a culture, a survival of a soldier. But a common people of poverty and need. I'm the voice, it's a truth, so let the word see. You must be out of your mind. If you think the way you dress, you have to sound the way you rhyme. Some people still believe the verse is bad, that you be blind. You're remarkably done. You're remarkably designed. Your record is out of mind. If you're unsatisfied, take it up with the divine. Cause we don't go the time, and if you go to me, I'll say you're just being who's supposed to be.